And see if he would deliver.
All right, y'all. So day 2, the Birdie Chronicles. Since she done stole the show yesterday, and I've gotten some word that she needs her own YouTube channel. We're starting her YouTube channel. Today's hunt is for the fridge.
Oh, yes.
So we're going for a fridge. So what type of fridge you want, Bird?
What kind of fridge? I want a fridge that'll hold the frozen food. That's the main thing. It doesn't matter if it's whether it is a Westinghouse, a Speed Queen, just long as it satisfies you.
Wait a minute. Speed Queen makes a fridge.
Yes, they make washers, dryers. Honey, where have you been? Are you underneath of a cloth?
Wait,
Your mother kept you under the blanket too long.
Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
No.
Wait a minute.
No.
Wait a minute. She said that I gotta get I'm done. I can't.
Yeah, see there? See?
No.
They're trying to give it to me
I don't
today.
even know that brand either. The thing is,
Your
he's
clothes were
no,
washed
he's not
with us.
Right. It's
Stop
washers.
it.
They don't make.
He's not asking that question.
Yes,
He
did.
was asking you what type of fridge you wanted. As in, do you want a stainless steel? Do you need a 2-door?
You got to have a name for them. My good gracious, there's Maytag and GE and yes, Samsung.
Okay, I don't even know what's a Speed Queen. What?
Well, your
Queen's a
clothes
washer
were
and
washed
dryer.
all
I
your
know
life.
that.
Mama,
And-
do they even
and-
still make that?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh
there's
my
a washer
God.
and dryer.
We got
when you go
Speed
to
Queen.
the-
Speed
Stop!
Queen.
Laundry
Don't
mat.
encourage.
We got Speed Queen at the office. We have Speed Queen washers and dryers, and they aren't open.
Right.
They are they. Well, see there, we're out for this Frigidaire that decided it was going to burn up on us yesterday. It didn't burn down my tea shade though.
What time are they open?
We'll be closed Saturday, June 8th through Saturday through June
They're going
15th.
for vacation. Too
Yep,
bad.
so-
So sad. Okay.
All right.
On the next one.
On to the next place. So we tried this little place called Bindle's, and they ain't have nothing. So
And see it sitting.
We'll
see them
see.
sitting there. There they are,
And
sitting right
our
there. Those are
sons-
Frigidaires.
it does say Speed Queen.
Yes,
Oh
it does.
my
Lord, Jesus.
It says Speed Queen.
And
I'm
Maytag. See
weak.
there? See there?
I'm
Okay,
weak.
so the bird
This
is right
the
today.
bird is more intelligent. I may not have a doctorate, but I guess I'll be doc.
Theo, head to
I'm
Tracy's
done.
because we need to see the ones that they were willing to do for me.
I thought we were going
Yes.
to Aaron's first. We're going to Tracy's now?
Tracy's.
No, we're going to Tracy's. Which way is Tracy's?
Tracy's
Left or left?
That's what.
Okay,
See there?
good
See
luck.
there? We've even got to direct them. They can't even figure this out, and they've got all these. I don't know what
No.
in this car, and
He
they
doesn't live here. He don't know where things are.
All right, so here's the problem, guys. Look, we're recording on my phone, so I'm not allowed to have directions on my phone. Obviously, while we're recording, because I mean, it would go to
Mom,
my
tell him where to
it
go.
would go to my watch. But the thing is that
Okay,
I
your
started the
hands
video
go-
first too.
he-
Obviously, she's
he
pointing
know-
to
he-
the right,
he
and I
knows
gotta
it.
go to
Yes.
that away.
that
To the right.
Otherwise,
to the right, to the right, to
To
the
the left, to the left.
left. Woo-hoo-hoo.
oh my.
See there? We can
Cupid
do this.
shuffle up in this car
That's right.
by accident.
We're doing a Cupid, the fridge shuffle.
Is that what it is?
Yes,
Fridge
it's
shuffle.
the fridge
Fridge
shuffle.
shuffle.
She came up with her own term, y'all.
That's right. It's a fridge shuffle because we got to find this fridge before the night's over, or
Oh,
we aren't gonna have any food.
so
Oh,
you,
I'm gonna have food. It's just not at your house.
The ice cream will be cream.
We already got rid of the ice cream in the fridge.
No, we did not.
There's
like-
more in there. Why would
Yes.
you do that to me?
See there? See there? She's talking about.
Theo,
what do you want me to do?
it's probably melting
Because
going
it-
and melt
well,
out
because
the door,
he
dude. You didn't tell
He
me.
didn't eat it, and his uncle Marty
Wait a
didn't
minute.
take it.
Wait a minute.
Oh my God! Now it's gonna be melting on the floor. When I get back, I'll find a
I
puddle.
ate
there?
my ice cream. Y'all, I went to Cold Stone and I ate my ice cream. So just so y'all know.
But
ain't
think
nobody
about it
gonna go
now.
back.
He didn't bring us any from Cold Stone, you know.
No, wait. I offered. I even called when I was at Cold Stone, and they told me no, we don't want
She
no ice
didn't
cream.
tell me that. She's sitting back there being quiet. See that? didn't tell me.
Yo, y'all know how like
You realize this is my life.
oh my
She's
god,
my mother.
I can't get no words out. Y'all know how like in the movies they always say like the name of the adventure. We already had the name of the adventure, so that's why y'all saw the opening credits say the fridge. What was it, Fridge Expedition? Something like that. Something.
Yes, we're on an expedition for the fridge.
So whatever she said, I'm gonna make sure I go back and listen to it first. But that's gonna be the title of it, so y'all already heard it up in here, just so y'all know. And guess what? Because the videos can't only be so long on YouTube. This is part 1, so just so y'all know. So like, y'all gotta watch part 2, part 3, part 725, or whatever we get today. But it's gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna tell you.
See, that means that we're gonna be out here for hours hunting a fridge. Now, while we were hunting for the fridge, the ice cream's running.
Wait. Why is the ice cream gonna run? The freezer's closed. It ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
At least keep the cool air in the
She
fridge.
keeps forgetting that the fridge isn't supposed to be open. Stop it.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
right.
I forgot. Yes, right. She tried to open the fridge this morning, y'all. So she legitimately was like, "Y'all need some juice," and went to open the fridge. I was like, "Don't open it!" And she goes, "Oh, that's right. This is so annoying." See the face. See the face.
But see,
I'd have been in there.
well,
Well, talked about it.
but see there, I didn't get any juice because I couldn't open the fridge door. No juice.
Y'all, just so you know, I'm gonna get her some juice. Relax. Don't put no comments about getting grandma no juice. The next video you'll see she'll have some juice with her. I promise. Just relax. Don't ask about no juice. If that's in the comments, we're gonna fight a little bit.
Well, I'm not going to tell you I will get the juice because I didn't realize that young folk had short memories
You don't want
until
juice?
this morning.
Do you want the juice?
I want the juice, but
Okay.
guess what?
She'll have
He
juice.
didn't even remember to get his towel after he opened the door of the
Oh
room.
my
the
gosh.
That's something else. That's another story.
That's a different story for a whole nother time.
So, but the towels go in. Oh no, they go in the washer.
See-
Oh Lord!
This is my life.
She said no. She wanted to say that it was going in the fridge. And it don't go in there. Oh.
Yes.
Alright, y'all. Hey, so part 1's gonna end real quick just so I can keep it YouTube friendly and not have your phone blowing up. But you gotta go to part 2 when we get there. So
That lane.
I need that lane.
That
Yes.
way.
You sure it's not?
Turn
It's not.
to
It's
the
not.
left,
Turn
to the
to the
left.
left. To the left.
Why am I going
Fridge
left?
shuffle.
You're going to
The
the
fridge.
left to get to Tracy's.
So I'm going left.
Because
Here.
we're going after to see
Going
about
left
these fridges.
Okay.
Yes. See,
All
we
right.
don't know whether we can get a 2-door,
There you go.
a
It's called the
1-door.
fridge shuffle.
Yes, it's called the fridge shuffle.
Oh, I don't think that's what she said earlier.
It's not.
Not, but it's all right. We
So
said
we're gonna call it the fridge
we
shuffle?
We said fridge expedition.
That's what I thought it was the fridge expedition.
Oh,
I told you we gotta go
my
back and
God.
listen. So
Well, that
just so
fridge.
y'all know.
Well, just think how that fridge will do the shuffle.
All right, hold that thought. Hold that thought 1 second, guys. To be continued. Dot.